Alright guys, it's going to be a short and quick Insta tutorial today. I'm getting ready for my sister's wedding and I'm just going to do a quick little glam. Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Primer. I'm going to just put this on and let it sink in while I'm doing my makeup. While I'm doing my eyebrows. Go ahead and swipe up from my updated brow routine. I'm going to throw them on. You guys can check that out and I'll be right back. Looking spicy, looking sassy. I'm going to grab the rest of my 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬 base, as always. I'm going to grab a flat brush, and we're not going to need a whole lot because I'm not going to go wild with the eyeshadow. I'm going to keep it pretty simple, but I'm just going to use a flat brush and just pick up the rest. I'm using shade number 2. This is gorgeous. Obviously, I'm so excited to use this one, but that ain't going to go for tonight. I'm going to stay over here in these vibes. I love how it has some pop of color with these gorgeous peachy neutrals. So I'm super excited to try this. Alright, I'm grabbing my Gypsum S33. I'm going to go into these two shades together. Very melony, very soft. Looks like a delicious cantaloupe on the eye. Obviously, I'm hungry while I'm doing my makeup. And we're just going to go back and forth and just get us a nice, soft crease. Literally exactly what I was going for. This is amazing. I'm going to use the shade Driftwood. Still using the Gypsum S33. I'm telling you, this brush is so versatile. I'm obsessed with it. Alright, so let's bring it over through here and just kind of deepen just a little bit. We don't want a very dark, we don't want a very smoky eye. We want to keep it really soft for a pretty summer evening wedding. I'm pretty excited, you guys. Now I'm taking this shade, which I'm not sure if it's a cream, but it feels very creamy. It's so beautiful. And I'm just taking my finger, I'm going to tap this all over the lid. This isn't a cut crease. It's okay if it goes a little bit above. I kind of just want it soft. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. And we're just going to tap it on here. Now, instead of doing a black liner, I want to keep it really soft. I'm going to grab this ColourPop Cream Gel Color, and this is the shade Overboard. And I'm honestly just going to focus it out here. I'm not even doing a wing. I'm just darkening. Look at that. Perfect. And I'm not sure if I mentioned it, MAC 228 brush. Just kind of pack it on and wiggle it into the roots. Alright guys, let's put on our lashes, our lava lashes in the style Sweetheart. I feel like these are my absolute faves. I just love the way they fit my eye. And they just make you look extra glam. It's just like, ooh, we're glam. We don't have on a lot of eye makeup, but guess what? Glam. Gotta drink my coconut water and stay hydrated. I'm gonna do my Beauty Blender foundation today. Whenever I know I have an event, I always use this one. It never lets me down. Never. Not one time. I'm in the shade 3.45. It's so bomb, you guys. Okay, let's work this in. My Smith 151. You guys know this is my ride or die foundation brush. And I love this foundation because it just makes your skin look good. It doesn't cover it up like, ooh, let's conceal everything. It just takes your skin and makes it look so much better. And then it wouldn't be a rose tutorial without my Kylie concealer in the shade Himalaya First. This is to cancel out the dark shadows. I like to hit it through here. And then I'm going to grab Gypsum, which is lighter. You guys, I'm running so low. It's breaking my heart. Ooh! And then I just put it right there just to kind of brighten. I don't put it on here because I don't like much on my forehead, and then whatever's on my blender will just go down my nose. Now let's go ahead and watch it blend out. I never get tired of watching this concealer blend out, and I use it almost every single day. Anytime I do my makeup. Look at that. Just gets me. Kylie powder in soft pink and a powder puff. Press it in. It just gets rid of all of the dark shadows and just makes your face look airbrushed. It's my favorite translucent powder at the moment. It's so, so good, you guys. I just like to work it in until you don't see any more powder. And then I'll take whatever's left on the blender. It's actually on the back of my hand. And then let's go here. Alright, I'm going to grab my Jouer Cheeky Summer Blush Duo. I'm so excited. I'm just going to go into the lighter shade. And I love how peachy and luminous. Oh my gosh, hello. New favorite blush. It just adds so much life to the skin. This is so pretty. So I'm going to put it across here so my bronzer is more believable. And then across my nose. And then a little across the chin. God, this is so pretty. Let's just put on a bunch of blush today. Okay, I'm down. Oh my gosh, this is my new favorite blush. All right, I'm going to use this Anastasia Loose Pigment in the shade Sand, and I'm grabbing my MAC 228, and we'll make this our inner corner. That's real pretty. Let's put some up here on the brow bone too. I'm just kind of using whatever's left on the brush. We don't want to get too spicy. Just going to grab a little bit more. Ooh, that's cute. We gotta spray it down with our 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬𝗓 Slay All Day. You already know. Gotta set it. Alright, we're keeping it with the Jouer family. I'm gonna start with the shade Melon. This is the liquid lipstick. It's one of my favorite shades ever. I don't have a discount code with them, unfortunately, guys. You guys always ask me. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the shade Sea Glass from the summer collection from Jouer. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna use my Dior Quad. I'm just gonna use this shade right here. Just gonna tie it all together. This is a very wet highlighter. It never leaves any texture to the skin. It just always looks so smooth. It's absolutely one of my favorite highlighters known to highlighters. It's so, so good. And this is a MAC 240S that I'm applying it with. Just a little here. Alright guys, all done. I gotta go finish up. Finishing touches. Go get dressed. I can't wait for you guys to see my outfit. It's real cute. It's real cute. Alright, I love you guys, and I'll take you guys to the wedding with me.